Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm doing a unboxing and pack my diaper bag with me with the new Brixley backpack. So for a few years now I've been seeing advertisements of this shoulder bag or this crossbody bag called Brixley, and it's made by a mom who, you know, needed to be hands-free. So the original bags you can wear 5 different ways. And I just thought that was so cool, so convenient, right? So I've been following their page for a while. I hadn't purchased anything, just, I don't know, you know, not doing it. And then they were talking about coming out with a book bag, and being a mom of 3, I definitely need a book bag, a new diaper bag, a new bag, right? So I went ahead and I signed up to, you know, hear about the launch, and as soon as as soon as the clock hit the time for the launch, I went on and I ordered the bag. So it came and I'm ready to unbox it. It has been sitting here for about 3 days now, and I haven't opened it. I just haven't had the time. But tomorrow we go to swim class, and Benjamin comes along too. He goes to the nursery, and I want to use my new bag, so unbox it with me. Okay, so first the package says, "Take me somewhere fun." Okay, now for that, take me somewhere fun. All right, I'm just gonna rip it open. It's already ripped. Oh yeah, I forgot what color I got. Ooh, I'm excited. Here's the website and the Instagram. Brixley bags. Oh, okay. Ooh. I don't know why I thought it was black, but it's actually espresso. I got the color espresso. Ooh, she's pretty. Okay, so before I start packing it up, let me show you how many pockets it has and why I decided to get this. Okay, so first, looks like this. It has a zip pocket here that goes all the way down and all the way up. It has side pockets, goes all the way down, and 2 side pockets that reach all the way down. Pretty long too, and this is like a leather material. So next there's a double zip. There's a double zipper. Opens the bag. Wow. Okay, on the inside there's a mesh bag. There's a mesh zipper here that reaches all the way down and all the way up. There's an inside water bottle, inside side pocket there. This flap here that reaches all the way down. A zip back here, zip pocket that also reaches all the way down. Okay, in the third opening, there's a slot here, and I guess you could call this maybe a place to put the changing pad, but it velcros shut, or your tablet. Most people would probably put a tablet there that reaches all the way down. I also believe there's a keychain clip somewhere. I have to find it. You have this back part that you can unzip here and use as a pocket, and then you have this here, so if you're traveling you can just slide it on the handle of your suitcase. which is really cool. So yeah, that is the Brixley Espresso book bag. I think it's super cute. Let's see how much stuff I can get in it. There's definitely enough room for all of my kiddos to all have something. Let's see. Okay, I'm ready to pack my bag. I have an outfit for each child, some bibs, a blanket, 3 burp cloths, a full pack of diapers, a full pack of wipes, diapers, a changing mat, a couple snacks, a toiletry bag, and then I'll also take some things from my purse. So let's pack this bag and see how much room I have left. Okay, so I showed you what I put in the back part of the bag, but this is the front part. I was able to get an outfit for all 3 kids, my 5-year-old, my 2-year-old, and my 4-month-old. So long sleeve shirts and long pants, multiple bibs, multiple burp cloths, blankets. I did end up putting the snacks on the inside water bottle pocket, and yeah, I still ended up having room. So I have the bag packed. You can see it is pretty full. To be honest, I probably wouldn't pack it this full because it could probably get heavy for me. But let's try it on. It's actually not very heavy at all, so that's a plus. I have this big bulky sweatshirt on, but it's not too bad. The straps are pretty padded, so that's nice. And yeah, it's really not that heavy as I thought it would be. It's actually still very light. But yeah, so there you have it. That is my new diaper bag with me, with the Brixley Espresso diaper bag. It's a really pretty color, and yeah, I have it pretty full. I still have this side pocket where I could put like a water bottle for Sophia. That's one thing I did not pack, were bottles and formula for Benji. So let's see what I would take out. Well, actually, I really don't even have to take out anything, because when I open this top part here, I still have a lot of room up at the top where I could just place 2 bottles, his little formula cube. Yeah, so I actually don't have to take anything out. Only thing I probably would take out would be my stuff, because my husband would be carrying this and I would be carrying my purse. But if it was just me, I would throw my wallet and my compact and my keys in here and call it a day. But yeah, I could still put like some toys in here. I could slide a book, and I still have this compartment back here that zips, that I could like slide a book in for Sophia, or you know, something for RJ, and I can always clip something on here for Benji. So I still have room here at the top. Let me see. I still have room here at the top to put stuff at too. So it's a lot of room. Yeah, I'm very excited about this and happy about this purchase. My little sidekick came in. You want to say goodnight? Goodnight. Say goodnight. Goodnight. Alright, bye friends. Thanks for watching. Good night. Night night. Good night.